Next, let us learn about save water. Water is very precious for life. We cannot imagine life without water on earth. We can help in saving every drop of water in and around our homes. We should follow few things to save water. Do not leave the tap running while brushing. Use bucket to take a bath instead of a shower. Use water in a bucket to mop the house and wash the car in place of running water. Use the leftover water in your water bottle to water the plants. Do not let water overflow while filling buckets or water cooler. See, children, water is very precious for our life, isn't it? We cannot imagine our life without water, isn't it? So, we have to save water. What are the steps we have to follow to save the water? We should not leave tap running while brushing your teeth. We have to use a bucket whenever we take a bath instead of shower. And we have to take whenever we want to mop the floor, no, that time we have to use a bucket of water to mop the floor. And we have to wash the car in the place of running water means running water means we have to wash our car in the river, or else small falls will be there, no, there we have to wash so that we can save the water. While watering the plants, no, we can use the leftover water in the bottle, isn't it? Don't let water overflow while filling the buckets or water cooler. Next, let us learn about the making water our enemy. How we are making the water as our enemy means how we are polluting our water. Let us learn about that. We humans are polluting the water by these activities have led to many diseases. See, children, we humans know we are polluting the water by bathing animals. Some people what they will do, no, they take the animals to give bath in the river, so that water gets polluted, isn't it? And in the river they use cloths to wash there in the river, so that by washing the cloths in the river they pollute the water. And some people what they will do, they throw garbage in the river. And some people they let the factory waste water in the river, so that what will happen, so that water will get polluted. These activities have lead to many diseases. Because of the polluted water we get diseases. How to store the water? Storage of water. Water should be stored in clean containers. The place where we store water should be clean. Water can be stored in many ways. In cities, water is stored in tanks. At homes, we get water from these tanks through water pipes. See, children, how to store the water? We should store the water in clean containers. Okay. The place where we store the water should be clean. How can we store the water? In cities, no, they store the water in tanks. At homes, we get water from these tanks through the water pipes. What the people of village they will do? In the villages, people store water in wells, pots, buckets, bottles, etc. The people of village, no, they store water in the wells, pots, buckets and bottles also. Okay. How should be the drinking water? Drink clean water. Always drink clean water. Dirty water can make us ill. It is good to drink boiled and filtered water. We should always keep drinking water covered. See, children, how should be the drinking water? Always we should drink the clean water. Why we should drink the clean water? Dirty water can make us ill. It is good to drink boiled water and filtered water. That while drinking water, no, we should drink boiled and filtered water, and we should always keep the drinking water covered. Means if we won't cover the drinking water, means some